Hello everyone, welcome back to day 12 of my progress with mining with a 1080 Ti. So on NiceHash right now, I've stopped using my CPU. If I show you in my hardware details, some people said that their CPU can make like $2 a day, but a lot of people have told me that this will like melt your CPU, and my CPU is really expensive, so I don't want to melt that. So is my graphics card, but like graphics cards will probably be replaced more than a CPU will be. And I'd like to keep mine for a while because it was like $350. But I've been using this for maybe like three-ish days right now, and it's mined, or actually no, this is yeah about three-ish days, and in the past like day and a half, it's mined about $15. Again, the price of Bitcoin changes a lot, but right now Bitcoin is at sorry about all those other things up there. That was my homework. Right now it's at 15,000. I believe this will continue going up, maybe hit like, $20,000 and stuff like that. I have no idea what the hell they're thinking there. But if I go to my wallet right here, as you can see, this is not the same number as it is here, just so you know. This is how much I've mined here, and it hasn't deposited to my NiceHash wallet, which I know probably is not a good idea to keep all my coins here, as a lot of people have said. But I believe they've updated security and kind of learned from the last time, so I don't think that my bitcoins will be lost again. Plus, I can't be that sad over like 30 bucks. But I am very sad about losing all of this though, because this was like $30, and I had like a $16 fee on this one thing when I was doing something because I sent this to the wrong address. So that was horrible. But right now I have about $30 in like 3.5 days, so that makes sense. I kind of leave this running all the time. Like I only kind of use it like a little bit during the day because I use it all. I mean, I have my computer running all night mining Bitcoin and all day ish mining Bitcoin while I'm at school. So I only use it for like a few hours at night to kind of like restart my computer and that kind of thing. And then there is this thing right here called buy hashing power, and I'm not exactly sure what this is, um, because like it says like stuff like this, like I'm pretty sure that's petahashes, by the way. But like, how would I buy that? As you can see, I just really don't understand. Like, if I were to buy this, create new order for like, I don't even know. Like, I might search up like what this whole shenanigan is because maybe I can reinvest the money into buying more hashing power. But I really don't know. I might try and research this a little bit, but it's just kind of sketchy. But yeah, I really just don't understand. You don't have enough credit to place your order. Like, what does this even mean? So, I'm not gonna really delve into that, but I think this has been going pretty well. If you want to see me mine or bench mark other coins such as Litecoin, Ethereum, Dash, I don't know, Vertcoin again maybe. I won a raffle for 5 Vertcoins, like a giveaway on Twitter from Vertcoin, and right now Vertcoin has kind of stayed the same in their price. Vertcoin price. I'm kind of annoyed because like they haven't changed at all. See, like right now it's at $7.40, and it's been like this since I bought it. I mean, for example, I've been doing crypto for like a month maybe, and it's really not changed. In fact, it's gone down even in a month, and in 2 months it's gone up. But like I mean, I don't know. It's just been kind of disappointing so far. But I mean, I guess it did go up, but like so far it's gone nowhere except down. So, I mean, for example, I have 5 Vertcoins right now. That's $37, but I'm hoping this will go up to like, if Vertcoin goes up to like $15 each or something like that, which I believe is sort of possible, then this 5 Vertcoins will be worth a lot more. So yeah, that's basically it for today's episode. If you want to see me benchmark, other coins, just tell me which coin you want me to do, and I will show you how a 1080 Ti that's overclocked a little bit mines. And a lot of people are asking me what kind of GPU this is. This is an EVGA. Look, I'll just type it in for you. EVGA 4 to win 3 1080 Ti. This is the graphics card I have. So if you want to buy it, this is what it is. Although the prices seem to be absolutely insane, but I did not spend 1,400 on it. It's probably because it's out of stock. Or yeah, basically. So this is the graphics card I have sitting in my computer right now. It's really awesome. I use it for gaming, but I'd really recommend it because it has really good fans and it's just good. So thank you for watching this episode, and I'll see you in the next one.